Okay guys, so quick follow-up. I had to completely disassemble the front section of the camera, and this piece it was just so damaged. I'm not even sure if I'll undertake this project. Anyway, so I had to unscrew these screws here. When I undid this whole thing just popped up. It was so much under pressure because I couldn't remove the battery before. It was just stuck on there. So there it is. 3.7 lithium-ion battery. As you can see, it's all swollen up. Definitely gone. This is not worth keeping in your car. This is a fire hazard at this point. It's not worth it. If a battery lithium cell swells up at this point, it's definitely worth a recycling. Let's take it to your local battery recycler and they'll do what they need to. Again, those terminals in there are what I'll probably use. I'll definitely have to use those if I want to convert this to a capacitor. The left terminal there is positive and the right is negative, and that's all you'll need. I'll connect these in series. What's 2 times 7 times, what's 2 times 7 times 2, what is that, 5.4? I think that will be more than enough. This is 3.7. So it'll just be a couple voltage over. Oh, there we go. A couple voltages over, but it should work fine. The only issue with capacitors is that as soon as you turn off the ignition, the camera will just turn off. So that's the disadvantage, but the advantage is they don't swell up due to the heat. So I'll probably, I'm up for the challenge. I'll make a quick connection here just to show you guys how it will be done. And actually, I'm not even certain. I'll probably just end up removing all of this, and then so I can have space for the terminals. Shouldn't be too bad. These will definitely be able to fit in there just fine. So that's not going to be a problem. Alright, stay tuned.